Hello friends! Welcome back to Event Celebrations. Today, we explore looking for the best Halloween costume ideas in 2025. Whether you want scary, funny, or trendy looks, we've got 13 creative ideas that will make your night unforgettable. 1. Classic vampire look, a timeless favorite. Wear a black cape, white shirt, and fake fangs. Add a little red lipstick or fake blood for effect. Simple, spooky, and guaranteed to impress at any party. 2. Funny pumpkin head. Use a lightweight fake pumpkin as a helmet or mask. Pair it with orange clothes and goofy makeup. It's fun, creative, and always gets laughs while keeping the Halloween vibe alive. 3rd zombie apocalypse survivor. Tear up old clothes, splash on fake blood, and use pale makeup with dark eyes. Walk slowly, groan loudly, and look terrifying. A zombie look is always a Halloween classic. 4. Cute black cat style. All black outfit, cat ears headband, and whiskers drawn with eyeliner. Easy, yet adorable. Add a tail and some glittery eyeshadow for a trendy twist. Perfect for kids, teens, and adults. 5. Haunted bride costume. Old white dress, smudged makeup, and a fake flower bouquet make you look like a ghostly bride. Add pale face paint for a chilling touch. Spooky yet stylish for Halloween 2025. 6. Creepy clown outfit. Colorful wig, bright clothes, and exaggerated clown makeup. Add fake blood or scary designs to make it creepy. This look is playful but frightening, perfect for standing out at any party. 7th pirate adventure. Look, eye patch, striped shirt, and toy sword. Easy and fun. Add a bandana, messy hair, and "Arr!" attitude. Great for family parties or group costumes with friends. Trendy and always popular. 8. Glow-in-the-dark skeleton. Wear a black outfit decorated with glow-in-the-dark skeleton stickers. Turn off the lights and watch the spooky effect. Simple, creative, and a fun way to shine at night parties. 9. Scarecrow in the field. Plaid shirt, straw hat, and straw tucked into sleeves. Add stitched face makeup for a realistic farm scarecrow look. Creepy, cute, and easy to DIY with simple household items. 10. Mermaid fantasy costume. Shiny leggings, seashell top, and glittery makeup bring the mermaid look alive. Add blue-green hair accessories for extra magic. A creative and stylish choice for those who love fantasy. 11. Mad scientist style. White lab coat, wild hair, and big goggles make you look like a crazy scientist. Carry colorful test tubes for fun props, both funny and spooky, a great party conversation starter. 12. Angel and devil mix. Dressed half in white and half in red. One side angelic with a halo, the other devilish with horns. A fun, symbolic, and unique Halloween costume that shows 2 personalities. 13. Headless illusion costume. This one steals the show. Create fake shoulders above your head with props and fabric, so it looks like you're headless. Creepy, shocking, and definitely unforgettable at any Halloween party. Final note. And that's it. 13 creative Halloween costume ideas for 2025. Which one will you try this year? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe to Event Celebrations for more fun party ideas.